At Healing and Arts, we believe creativity changes lives. In a world marked by pain and isolation, we use art to spark healing, to build hope, and to remind people they are not alone.
Girls Court is partnering with Pamela Alderman in an art project, art that will be displayed at the Kent County Courthouse that will hopefully inspire other citizens who walk through the courthouse and see what the girls have created.
So the purpose of this program is to reach our most at-risk female youth in the community. We try to surround them with a lot of supportive services and pro-social opportunities that they might not have had before.
And the girls don't know what they're painting, but once we put them all together, it'll make a big collage.
I was gonna do stars, but I did a flower instead because there was like a yellow piece and I thought that would fit nice.
The thing I like about this project is that I can be creative and I can paint my mind.
When painting the pieces, it kind of lets me just go into my own world with imagination.
I like just the paint, the different colors. I just like picking out the different colors and just painting them. It's calming.
At one Girls Court workshop, a teen asked, "Why would someone donate $2,400 of art supplies for us?" Her life experiences had caused her to feel undervalued and overlooked. I responded to her, because people believe in you and they want to see you succeed.